Hi there, I'm Christian Bond, and as part of the mentorship cohort, one of the things that we've built with Claude is local conditions. What this does is it shows on the contact card, it shows the local weather and local time. So this is really cool. Go to the website, click install on HubSpot, and I will show you what that looks like. So in HubSpot, you have all of your contacts in your CRM. I'm going to just select myself for this example. And as we can see, we have who I am here, and we can see that because I've input the city, Calgary, the local conditions card right here now appears in the top right, where it shows you the local conditions of me, so I'm the contact, and it shows the local time. What's cool about this too is that you can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, depending on where you are and who you're speaking with. And we can see that it shows, okay, it's a bit rainy. And as I look out my window, I'm like, yeah, it is in fact a little bit rainy outside. So what local conditions does is it lives directly on the contact record, and super easy to install. Once you have installed this on HubSpot, you simply go to customize the contact record. And in here we have the default view. And then from here, you want to add the local conditions as a card. And once you've done that and saved and exited that, local conditions will launch for every single contact in your CRM. So you know exactly what the local time is for that person, as well as what are the local conditions weather-wise. As we are talking about building with AI, one of the things that we would like to add to local conditions are, what are some highlights, what's happening in the city, any games going on or any concerts, like really anything that could be, this is an invitation when you're doing your reach out or talking to somebody, you can really quickly peek at the contact card and you know exactly what's going on in that city. So we're building on this, and this has been a really cool project to use Claude Code with HubSpot to seeing what's possible here.